Year. I wish I was there with you, but I'm on the other side of the world in Mundgod, India. I had to get away. We got a special guest, though. Your Holiness, will you wish our viewers a Happy New Year?
I would like to express Happy New Year. I think Happy New Year, not just one party and some cake, some wine. Not only that, I think Happy New Year should include peace of mind, really happy mind, then combine physical sort of comfortable and enjoy some drink or some sort of cookies, and meantime mentally also peace, happy. That's the real meaningful Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Your Holiness. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.